Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain lesson 26 of grammar book, punctuation and capital letter. Punctuation makes our writing clear and easy to understand. Some punctuation marks are full stop, comma, question mark and exclamation mark. Let's know about them. After every sentence we put full stop. Means a sentence ends with a full stop and a question ends with a question mark. If a sentence is a question, we put question mark at the end of the sentence. And if a sentence expresses a strong feeling or emotion, it ends with an exclamation mark. Now read exercise A. Insert full stop, question mark and exclamation mark appropriately. In the first sentence, do you know my name? This is a question. So we put question mark after this. He is going to the park. We put full stop after this sentence. How delicious was the meal? We put exclamation mark after this sentence because it shows feeling of surprise. So we put exclamation mark at the end of this sentence. Now we study about comma. We use comma to separate words in a list. We use comma to separate word in a list. I want coffee, candy and chocolate. Here we use comma between coffee and candy to separate these words. Separate name of the person, what is said to her or him. We put comma after Renu to separate Renu from what is said to her. Okay, read the sentence again. Renu, please come to me. We put comma after Renu to separate Renu from what is said to her. Okay, to show a short break to separate a word or a group of words from the main sentence. The child who fell down is serious. We put comma after child and fell down to separate group of words from the main sentence. Okay, now we study capital letter are used to begin. Okay, we use where we must use capital letter. Every sentence, at the beginning of the sentence, we write first letter capital of every sentence. The name of person. When we write name of person, first letter must always be capital. Okay. The name of days, month in a year. See, we write S of Saturday capital and D of December. The names of book, newspaper and magazines. Newsweek, the Ramayana. Okay. The name of subject, physics, mathematics. Okay. We always write M capital of subject. Name of language, English and Hindi. Okay, we write E of English capital. The name of river, country and cities and mountain. India. Okay, see here, India is a special name, so we always write I of India capital. Okay, so this exercise is, now we read this exercise. Punctuate the following sentence and also use capital letter where necessary. Okay, now how wonderful is the weather. Okay, so first we write H capital of this sentence because H is the first letter of the sentence, so we should write it capital. And how wonderful is the weather, this sentence show surprise, so at the end of the sentence we should mark exclamation mark like this. Okay, so H, we should write H of this sentence capital, and in the last we put mark of exclamation. Okay, I hope this exercise is clear to you. All the students, do this exercise yourself. Okay, thank you and have a nice